Hey Student Success, welcome to week 12 of the semester, which means we are almost to the end. So this is a great time for me to remind you once again that your workshop assignment is coming due very soon. If you go into my Circ State Development and Training, Student Success workshops, and of course this is what is in this video right here, all semester long, that's been embedded right there. You can go and you can see now that we're at the beginning of November, we can kind of look to see what is being offered. And you can start to see it kind of trickles down and not a whole lot toward the end of November, beginning of December. So you want to make sure that you sign up, register, attend, and submit your certificate as soon as possible. We only have a few weeks left in the semester. All right, so we are in week 12. Week 12 is a continuation in terms of the chapter from week 11. So you can see in your week 12 videos, the chapter 6 lecture video is just recopied. There's not a new chapter, so you don't have to worry about like a new content area. If you want to just refresh your memory, look at the video again or look at the chapter again, whatever you need to do. So when we hop into week 12, you can see there are just 2 assignments. There is no discussion forums, so your attendance is based on completing both assignments by Sunday. If you only complete one, it's half attendance, so just keep that in mind. So let's hop right into the assignment folder. The first assignment is the chapter 6 assignment. This is 3 parts, so you make sure you complete all 3 parts. First part is read this article. So you open it up. It's a rather quick article. It's maybe only 2 pages of actual reading because the whole front page is basically a picture. So you're going to read this article, and then you are going to choose one of the following verbs included here and write a short essay question about the article. So I'm not sure why those are bolded. Just ignore that. But you're going to choose one, or maybe you can do 2. Compare and contrast, list and identify. You can do a combination if you want to. So you're going to write an essay question. Remember, chapter 6 was about testing, memory and testing and test formats and preparing for tests. So you're putting yourself in the teacher position and creating a question that maybe you would be asking based on this article. So you're not just pulling out a question out of nowhere. It's based on this article. You're going to come up with an essay question that might appear on a test based on that article. So right inside here, you can just go ahead and it'll repopulate there under Create Submission, and you can write the question. And then let's say you do like, hey, justify, hypothesize, whatever the question is, go ahead and type it right there. It needs to be one of these verbs or a combination of those verbs. Again, creating an essay question based on the content of this article that maybe you would be expected to see like on a test or a response to that article. And then part 3, answer your own question in 3 to 5 complete sentences. So right underneath it, underneath your question, go ahead and write your answer. And you can do this in a Word document as well. You don't have to do it right there. So those are the 3 parts of this assignment. First, read that article called Fake News. It's a pretty quick read, about 2 pages. Come up with an essay question using one or more of these verbs in this little box here. And then answer your essay questions. Make sure you do all 3 parts, again, either under the Create Submission or like in a Microsoft Word doc. That's your first assignment. The second assignment is, it looks like it's 2, but they go together. You're first going to complete this quick little test your memory assignment. So it's going to be one of these where it opens up into its own little box here. And you're going to click through and it's going to show you like a list of words. And it's going to say, hey, memorize these words for like 30 seconds. And then it's going to ask you like, okay, after 30 seconds, what words were in this area? Now, I'm not grading you on how great your memory is by any means. What you're going to do then is you're going to answer these 3 questions. This is where you're getting the grade. So how many words were you able to remember? Like, oh, I was able to remember, 10 words, whatever it is. Which words did you forget? I forgot, What memory techniques did you use? Did you use repetition? Did you try to use like pictures or visualization? Or did you connect like ideas? Did you come up with a song? And this is the same thing. You can click right in here and just hit Create Submission. You can do it real quickly right in there. Those 3 questions, right? So again, this one's kind of a 2-parter because you have to first do the assignment, test your memory little activity, and then you answer the questions. This is what you're getting graded on. And I'm not grading you on how well you remembered these words. If one person remembered one word and one person remembered all of them, you're not necessarily going to get a better grade because you remembered more. It's just how you answer these questions. All right, so you want to make sure that you complete both of these assignments, all 3 parts of Chapter 6 assignment, and then make sure you complete this test your memory and answer those 3 questions by Sunday for your weekly attendance. Please make sure you're getting your workshop completed. And then starting in the next week or so, you're going to see some opportunities to make up points from the beginning of the semester. So look for those announcements when I say, hey, week 1 is reopened, so that if you have any points missing from that first week of the semester, you can get some of those back. If you have any questions, reach out and let me know. Have a great week.